today's evolving manufacturing landscape, being able to balance the assembly line has never been more important. Having to manage physical equipment on the line can sometimes become a bottleneck to achieving this. Luckily, Atlas Copco's integrated controller tools and server-based controller solution can become a huge asset to enable fast and simple line balancing. In this video, Rodney Hill and I will talk about the importance of rebalancing and how Atlas Copco can support these efforts. So let's jump right in. A lot of our customers have a heavy need for rebalancing. So moving tooling from one station to another or redeploying something in a new station, they have new product variants coming down the line, there's changes going on all the time. How does something like ToolsControl support rebalancing?
So we're starting to see a lot of that. I mean, I think for a lot of customers, rebalancing is really basically a constant theme, right? Maybe every week, maybe every month, maybe every day, just depending on what the application could be. We're seeing things built a lot differently. I talked to an automotive manufacturer earlier this year, and they told me they did a study 2 years ago. Out of the 300,000 cars they made, they only made 2 that were exactly the same. Because there's a lot of options that people can opt for when they configure their vehicle, right? Or when the dealer configures the vehicle. So it's really amazing when you hear those sort of things. It makes us do things differently. So if you look at an SUV, for example, some SUVs get 3 rows of seats. Not all of them. It's an option that some people get. If let's say only a third of people get that option, maybe you don't need to create a station for that on the line. Maybe you have that work actually flow over a few stations where somebody puts that 3rd row of seats in. But it's still important that we get the data from that, right? So that with something like that, we might have a location system that's added to this to make sure that we know, where and how that was installed, and the parts are traceable, with a barcode scanner or something. But a lot of different ways to make things, I think, are really changing the way that people use tools.
As you've seen in this and the other videos in this series, Atlas Copco understands the importance of real-time adjustments on an assembly line to keep production running smoothly and efficiently. An example of this is the tool swap feature in ToolsControl. Changing out a tool or moving a tool from one station to another has never been easier. We hope you enjoyed this video series. If you'd like to learn more about 5G connected tools, IXB tools, or ToolsControl, please contact your local Atlas Copco representative. Thanks for watching.